This program was produced by the Neuroscience Education Institute and was made possible through an unrestricted educational grant from Eli Lilly and Company.
Hello, I'm Dr. Stephen Stahl, Chairman of the Neuroscience Education Institute and Adjunct Professor of Psychiatry at the University of California in San Diego. Welcome to this videotape entitled Psychopharmacology of Emotional and Physical Symptoms in Depression. Now, this program has three objectives. The first is to review the role of monoamine neurotransmitters, serotonin and norepinephrine, in mediating the classical emotional symptoms of depression. The second is to show how these same neurotransmitters may play a role in regulating the physical symptoms of depression, especially the presence of multiple unexplained painful physical symptoms. Thirdly, we will show how dual-action drugs, namely those that block the reuptake of both serotonin and norepinephrine, can improve not only the emotional symptoms associated with depression, but also the physical symptoms, with enhanced chances for a complete remission of all symptoms. Now, for many years, it's been hypothesized that the monoamine neurotransmitters, serotonin and norepinephrine, are not only involved in the pathophysiology of depression, but also in the psychopharmacological mechanism of therapeutic action of every known antidepressant. Both the serotonin and norepinephrine systems have their most important cell bodies in a small area of the brainstem that serves as a headquarters or command center for each. Axons project from these headquarters throughout the brain in specific pathways that mediate specific functions. For example, serotonin cell bodies are located in the midbrain raphe, and its axons project to frontal cortex, where they may have important regulatory functions for mood, to basal ganglia, where they may regulate movements, and to limbic areas, where they may regulate emotions, particularly anxiety. Serotonergic projections also arrive in the hypothalamus, where they can regulate eating, appetite, and weight, as well as sex drive and pleasure, and to sleep centers, where they regulate the sleep-wake cycle. Norepinephrine cell bodies are located in the locus coeruleus. Some, but not all, norepinephrine pathways project to the same areas of the brain where serotonin pathways project. Thus, just as for serotonergic neurons, noradrenergic neurons project to frontal cortex to regulate mood,